when we come to graves, get people horns coming, looking. Now, what is he going to say? I'm not going to say anything. What are graves in Islam? Never thought of that. Grave is a hole we dig, and we put the deceased, and we bury him. Very good, mashallah, bagos, excellent. The beauty of the graves in Islam, anywhere you go to a cemetery of the Muslims, all the graves, you will find the dead people lying on the right-hand side, facing the Qiblah. Anywhere in the world, you will always find the deceased, the Muslims, placed facing Qiblah. We face the Qiblah when we're alive, we face it when we're dead. What did the Prophet ﷺ instruct us? He ordered us not to humiliate or insult graves. Interesting. I thought Wahhabis is just break, kill everybody. No. Wait. The Prophet ﷺ prohibited us from sitting on the grave and said this is a major sin. It's best for you to sit on fire. He prohibited us to walk on the graves with shoes on. If we must, take your shoes off and walk barefooted. And he prohibited us to build on the graves. Okay, what do you mean by this? We have to respect the graves. We want to build a chamber. We want to build a tomb. We want to build a masjid. No. All of this is haram. Ali ibn Abi Talib, and the hadith is in Sahih Muslim, and it was reported by Abu al-Hayyaj al-Asdi. He said, Ali told me, shall I not send you exactly as the Prophet ﷺ sent me? What? Never leave a statue without breaking it, and never leave a grave above the ground without leveling it. So the Prophet prohibited raising the graves far away, only this much, which is the amount of soil you get to make a hole. When you put the body, you have to put the soil back again, but the hole is already occupied with a body, so it will be raised this much. This is good. And the Prophet ﷺ prohibited putting any kinds of bricks or cement or the likes on the graves. But he permitted to put a small stone or a rock, so that when I come to the cemetery and I see thousands of graves, which one is my father? I don't know. Oh, yes, this is the rock I put. So this is permissible. Not to put marbles costing 5,000, 10,000 ringgits with engravings on them. He was a beloved husband and he left no money. May Allah curse him. What is this? Or putting he was born this date, died this date, and he used to play good guitar. A'udhu billah. They have this on tombs. I've seen. This is all haram, bid'ah.